this morning we are off for a beautiful walk around the Dolgallao forest in North Wales to scope out a few wild camp spots in the future.
Ooh, nearly went off.
Only joking. We've come here to what's the Wales Rally North Wales. Wales Rally North Wales. That one.
Here's Alan's Hesketh. Other people spot birds, Alan spots cats. I don't know that I got that one out then.
Oh, that one's just hit me with a stone. Shit. Oh dear. Someone's totaled it. How's your...
Close up.
No, it's wide. How's your first rally?
Fabulous, darling.
Fabulous.
Fabulous. Seen a car crash. I shouted shit really loud. I really was thinking, yeah, they don't go that fast, no one's going to crash. And then he did come around the corner and crash, so I do feel like a Kirsten.
You did crash. Sarah made him crash.
I did.
We have got an absolute belting day here in the forest.
Not like us to have belting days, isn't it?
No, again. I tell you what, someone likes us up there. I don't know what we've done to deserve it. But long may it continue. If you ever want to go away for the weekend
Come with us.
and you want the weather to be nice, tag along. You will have to bring beer though. Doing?
Checking the car's office and come past. Pretend to know what I'm talking about.
No, it's not. 3 to 8.
David Jones and Glyn Price in BMW E30.
We've now given Sarah a pen to tick the cars off the list.
I remember Sam. Don't take much.
Are you in a motorsport, bitch?
Bit of grass. Yeah. As long as I've got a list and a pen.
They're all having to slow down now because there's a car just had a pretty bad crash and this is slowing down. bowler. For anyone who doesn't know, my biggest passion in life is cars, fast cars. Hence, we went to the Nürburgring, and now we're at the Rally North Wales in, I think it's Divvy Forest or Dolgathlaw, something like that. Doesn't matter. Sun shines out, and the cars were ragging it.
Caught behind Venetian blinds, had to reach for the city lights. This ain't where I belong.
How much have you just spent in the best farm shop in the world?
Not that much. Only 60.
60 quid in the freaking farm shop.
It's Mother's Day tomorrow and I'm doing an afternoon tea for my mum, so we've got lots of little cakes and things and quiches and
Expensive cakes.
and then we bought some meat, got another barbecue later, didn't we?
We did. So that's the end of our trip. We're going home now to eat meat.
This
And-
t-shirt looks grey. Dust, that is dust.
Meat and cakes. We're absolutely covered in dust. Today was a mega dust fest. The bags, the coats, the sunglasses, the phones, the camera, everything is covered in dust.
Enjoyable though.
But it was worth it. So we're going home with a suntan now to have a barbecue. See you later.
Bye bye.
Don't look before you leave. What you give, you get to keep. So long, farewell, bye-bye. Let's have a toast for those lost old lives.